happening today? Savannah is making waves literally. A groundbreaking addition to its waterfront. Chatham Area Transit is rolling out the nation's first Waterjet hybrid ferries. The new additions promise a greener, smoother ride for locals and visitors alike. WSAV's Genevieve Lunt is live this morning along the Savannah River with more. Good morning, Genevieve.
Hey, good morning. You've probably taken a ferry ride before, but none like these two boats behind me. For the first time in U.S. history, Waterjet hybrid ferries are entering public service, and CAT is helping launch them right here in Savannah. The Juliet Gordon Lowe II and Susie King Taylor II are the newest addition to the Savannah Bell's ferry fleet, and they're making history. These are the first in the country to feature Waterjet hybrid technology, combining diesel-powered generators with large lithium-ion batteries for quiet, efficient travel. After nearly 5 years bringing this project to life, each ferry costs around $5.5 million. Now the ferries improve passenger comfort while reducing fuel use and emissions. The launch also marks the completion of the newly restored seawall, which is a key piece of the riverfront infrastructure. CAT officials hope Savannah's example sets a new standard for cities across the country.
These vessels were a long time in the making, many years from concept to design to build and to gather the funding to get these vessels. So we're just really excited to be able to introduce it to all of Savannah.
This afternoon, local leaders and public are welcome to celebrate the launch of these new ferries, and the event begins with a ribbon cutting at City Hall Landing, followed by a ferry cruise to the Savannah Convention Center here. This marks a major step forward in green public transit. The ferry fleet is now growing to 6 total boats, which is perfect timing for the new convention center that just opened. Reporting out here on Hutchinson Island, Genevieve Lund, WSAV News 3, on your side.
Thank you, Genevieve.